Now, there will be improvement in the drought situation here. We're going to see better rains coming into this area very soon. But the question remains, what about this side of the Corn Belt here? And what about the central and western Corn Belt? I don't think I have any good news for folks in Texas, but this whole story basically builds into this map, which is the one you were talking about, the latest drought monitor. And we see a whole lot more of degradation in the drought through the Mississippi River Valley, for example, while we still have maintained it from the southern plains to the central plains. And that now extends, as you can see, into parts of western Iowa. So when we think about all of this, the thing I'm going to go to first is what's coming in the next week. So we got some strong trades coming in like this, the trade winds. And what's going to happen is they're going to butt up against very weak frontal boundaries that'll be here delivering quite a bit of rain into this area. Some of the heavy rains you see in eastern Texas is actually coming from a weak tropical system here today. We're going to watch move north and then eventually east, but that's a very limited area that's going to get rain. Look at the rest of Texas through the mid-south, though, very, very dry. And we are all hoping that this active Canadian storm track leaves these weak frontal boundaries that push through here, initiating storms. The big problem is that when we initiate storms in this time of year, they tend to line out and make big squall lines that can do a lot of damage. So I'm going to be watching this particular area very carefully for the possibility over the next couple of weeks for those damaging lines of storms.